Hello, welcome back once again. This is Scholarship Arena. Today we have another opportunity to study abroad. This is Total Energies in Nigeria. Total Energy is a company. Uh, Specifically, I think it is a company of France. So, in collaboration with Nigeria, they provided international masters opportunity to study in France. So, I want to take you to a quick tour on how to apply this scholarship. So, without much wasting time, this scholarship has a little bit confusion to some people, and I want to clarify the issue here. If you follow me step by step, I'm going to demonstrate to you how you can apply, how you can get the reference number, and all the necessary information that you need to know. So first of all, this scholarship is specifically for people who will study management science, engineering, and geoscience, particularly courses related to oil and gas at various universities in France. And then the award is full. So um, this is the criteria of the scholarship, and everybody is qualified to apply for this scholarship if he get this if he meet this criteria. So the first criteria says the first criteria says interested applicant must have obtained a minimum of second class upper. So you have to make sure that before applying this, you have to make sure that you have uh, a second class upper in your degree, and you have to make sure that you graduated not earlier than 5 years ago. And the only means of this application is to apply via a particular website which we are in. So first of all, the application will be closes on 31st of January 2025, and only shortlisted candidate will be contacted. So there is something that they wrote here that is important notice. As you can see here, they says if the page default in French, click on English at the top of the page to change the language, and carefully read details of the application requirement before you commence your application. And then to complete your application, however, you will be requested to create account if you do not have existing one. So the fourth one is say please fill the form accordingly, and then it says again, please note that your application is not complete, will not be complete without your candidate reference number, and it is compulsory to attach your CV and other necessary document where it requested during the application. So we are going now to this place. We first of all we have to click here, click here. So it is taking us to campus in France. All right. Okay. And going here, you have to wait. So here is the place that we are going to. It's going to be provided. So we are here, and what we need to do here now is we have uh, to come here. come down, a little bit. So what program are we looking for? So we have to touch here and then program postgraduate level, since we are looking for a scholarship for masters level. So we click here, it brings us here. So what we need to do now is either we come here to search for the field of study, that is we have to check here and look for engineering. Yes, here is the engineering, and we look for, I think there is management sciences, management science. We have to check management science. So we need to check it very careful and look at what we are going to study. So from here in this specification of engineering, you see the courses here, various courses around here. Aerospace construction, computer and information, electricity, electronics, engineering, industrial engineering, and the rest. So you need to identify which program you are interested in. So when you touch this engineering, let us touch this. So these are the programs. These are the programs, and then the universities. That is Central Mediterranean University in Marseille. So there are many universities. Then you go there and choose the course that you want to study. So make sure that you take the university's name, and go there and find a university criteria to apply for the certain course. Go there and apply it. It's very important. You have to go there to the university and apply it. Then we come back here. That's the where the issue is. And then we click our application form. We click application form, and still we have something to do. Here is the application form. Here you have to put your name, you have to put your surname, date of birth, email address, and then have you generated your candidate reference number? So this is where you are going to put your reference number. So before you generate this reference number, you have to come here and click here. So this is the place where you are going to create your application. So it will take you to here. So what you are going to do here is you come to this place and select country, Nigeria, and leave it like this. So you come down, so you see the job that is available for the Nigeria. This is maintenance assistant in Maiduguri, project manager, and all the rest. So you have to choose this international master's degree scholarship. Then you touch this apply. When you touch this apply, it will automatically take you to this place. So I have already created my application. So if you are a new here, you want to create application, you have to touch this place without resume. So it will take you here to provide your personal information, put your CV here, and then click next. It will take you to where you are going to put your password. Understand? You have to follow this criteria, acknowledge, and when you go to this place, it will tell you to provide your password. So I want to take you very quickly. I don't want the video to be long. So you have to click here let us see. I already applied this, but I need to still withdraw my application so that I can show you how we generated this thing. So application already made, so I need to withdraw it. Need to withdraw. Oh my god. Service. Up to now, the service, like I've earlier told you, let me withdraw the application. Let me withdraw it first. Withdraw. Okay. Let me go back. Okay, you need to withdraw the application first. I need to withdraw it so that I can show you how I come here. Oh my god. So like I have earlier told you, you need to come here and select Nigeria so that it will give you the place. All right, so when you select Nigeria like this, it's going to bring you this. So I already applied this. That's why it put apply already. So what I'm trying to show you here, this is the process, and you need to create account, come here and click apply. So they say I already applied this. I supposed to show you how the process went by, but unfortunately I don't want the video to be long. I need to withdraw it, but it refused to withdraw my application to start it fresh for you to see. But that's the process, and it is very simple. The navigation is very simple, and you need to provide your CV. I think it is only the CV that they need. If you put your CV, create your application, you are going to put the CV and the rest, and you are going to select your CGPA and the rest, and you send the application. When you send the application, you check your email. They are going to provide you with an email. Let me check my email so that you see the sample of their email, and you see the sample of their email. So, and it came along with the reference number. Let us check. So this is the reference number. When you get this reference number, you copy it and you come back here. After you fill everything, then you put the reference number here. After I put the reference number, you select the class of your degree and you put your cumulative CGPA and year of graduation and the rest, and then you come here and submit successfully. Thank you very much. I don't want the video to be long. I think with what you saw here, you will be able to understand the process of how you can apply uh, the Total Energy Scholarship to study in France. Nevertheless, if time permits, when you watch this and if time permit, I can still create another application purposely to demonstrate to you a step where you can apply through where you can see the exact what I did to apply the scholarship successfully. So thank you very much. If you stay with us, we are still bringing many opportunities and we are going to bring you the latest and a fully funded scholarship. Thank you very much. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and uh, give us a like, share this video for others. Thank you very much.